So I just want to give a quick update on this channel. I've noticed that my subscribers have like slowly been going up, and I'm pretty sure that's from my older military videos on this channel. So to everyone that's subbed for military videos, go over to my other channel with just my name, Martin Cooper. There I will start uploading military videos as well as travel, as well as just life updates in general. But for the main part, this channel right here is just for skateboarding, so don't sub to it if you're looking for some of those military videos, because I would not upload them up here. But just head over to my other channel. Once again, it'd be military, travel, and fitness type videos. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick announcement right there because I noticed my subs been going up, specifically from a dorm video and also maybe from the Air Force pay video, which I'll do an update on that once again because I've moved off base. If you got an idea of what you want me to talk about as far as military wise go, just leave a comment on my other channel and one of my other videos, or you can just message me on Instagram and I'll reply back and I'll probably make a video about it. So yeah, I just wanted to give out that quick message, and yeah, back to the skateboarding videos.